Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing great. Today I want to show you something about your audience and Facebook ads that is certainly going to save you a ton of time and money. It's very helpful to know this stuff, and I've noticed that not many people actually are aware of this. So I decided I wanted to create this video just for the sake of clarification, and it's very important to know this stuff, especially nowadays after iOS 14 and everything. It's important to know the dynamics behind, like the dynamic behind how Facebook algorithm works and how the system, that Facebook uses for advertising purposes actually works and actually reaches people inside our target audience, right? So we're gonna pretend like we started a video views campaign. All right, so this is a video views campaign. As you can see, it's written here, right? It's an ABO campaign, but it doesn't even matter for the purpose of this video. We're now gonna go at the ad set level. All right, so as you can see, 20 euros a day. It doesn't matter. What matters is that we're targeting the entire country of the entire United States, basically. Age, as you can see, it's open. Gender is all. Everything is open basically, and we're targeting the entire United States. It's a video views campaign. Keep this in mind, all right? So we're gonna write it here, video views. C. Yeah, it stands for campaign. Well, let me just campaign. All right. Now I want you to look at the estimated audience size. All right, right here. All right, so this is the estimated audience size. We're gonna copy this and paste it here, all right? One thing I wanna clarify, the estimated audience size is not the amount of people that you're going to reach. It's actually the potential amount of people that you're going to be able to reach, all right? It's not the amount of people that you're gonna reach, all right? So just keep this in mind, because when you, when you say, oh, I'm gonna target 200 million people, well, it's gonna take you a lot of money to target so many people, and a lot of time as well, honestly, and a lot of time as well. So it's almost impossible to reach all these people, and it's basically even inconvenient for you, I mean, for pretty much almost every business to reach the entire population of the United States. So yeah, just keep this in mind, all right? This is not, if you want more info, if you want to learn more, you can also click on, hover this little icon right here on the right of your estimated audience size, and you're going to be able to learn more. But this is not the amount of people that you're going to reach. This is the potential amount of people that you're going to reach, but you'll never reach so many people, all right? Now let's keep this in mind, because I'll continue this discussion later, this topic later. But anyway, so we copied the estimated audience size, all right? Let me just separate it now. All right, let's keep this in mind. This is the estimated audience size. I want to show you something really cool. Now, this was for a video views campaign. Let's switch to conversions, all right? Gonna switch to conversions. Now we're gonna write conversions campaign. Conversions campaign. That's good. Right, still ABO, right? Nothing has changed. All right, cool. So nothing, absolutely nothing has changed, right? I didn't even set up my conversion event yet, and we're gonna come back to this later, because this is also very important. Now, I want you to look at the estimated audience size. It changed. It's changed. Why is that? I mean, we're targeting the same exact audience, right? So this is a very important thing to know. I see a lot of people saying, oh, my Facebook ads don't work, right? And once they say so, they always get asked, what is your target audience? First question. And what is your ad creative? What are your ad creatives, right? Second question. Now, the first question, for example, they answer the first question, they say, oh, my target audience is, in the United States. Let's say that my target audience is, say, men in the United States. All right, I want to target men only, right? And your estimated audience size obviously changes. Men that are interested in cars, all right? Let's wait for a second. Yeah, cars, cool. So this is, yeah, exactly. This is your estimated audience size, right? around 4 million people. All right, might seem actually very little, actually, but I'm also surprised here. But anyway, this is the estimated audience size of people interested in cars in the US. Well, men interested in cars in the US. Let me make it specific. All right, let me precise that. So this is your target audience, for example, right? Then you get asked, what are your ad creatives? And you answer that. You say, well, no, my ad creatives are, 3 videos. I got 3 videos that perfectly suit my target audience. So they speak directly to my target audience. They address what their problems are, their pain points and everything. They're really cool ad creatives. I like them. I think they're gonna convert. All right, cool. Say you also got one image and you also got one, I don't know, one slideshow or one carousel or something, right? But it is possible that your ad creatives are actually good, right? Cool. But then if your target audience is the right one, and if you understand that also your ads, your ad creatives are good, also your ad copy and everything, right? Then you can't get to a conclusion. You're like, so why are my ads still not working? You can't answer this question anymore, right? Because it seems that everything is okay. But then here is the answer, right? I'm gonna answer this question in this video, right? Because as you can see, the little details can make a huge difference in your ad campaigns, all right, Facebook ads. One little detail that made a huge difference here, for example, was the conversion objective, right? Sorry, the campaign objective. I'm sorry about that. The campaign objective, right? So everybody knows that, you should go for conversions if you want to get sales. All right, I'm not gonna repeat it in this video, right? Because I think it's obvious. But what I'm going to highlight in this video is, guys, your conversion objective is gonna tell Facebook to reach different people, all right, within your target audience, right? And also your target audience itself is gonna change in size, as you can see. Let me remove this because I want to show you exactly. So we're coming back to the audience size that was before, and now let me compare that to the audience size with video views. So it's conversions, campaign, is it the right one? No, campaign, and this is the audience size. As you can see, guys, it's different. It doesn't differ by a lot, but it's different, and it's a clear sign that and you can try it yourself. You can try it with traffic, you can try it with messages, you can try it with reach. I was very surprised to see the effect. You try it yourself. All right, I'm gonna leave this for you. But as you can see, your estimated audience size changes. All right, it changes. So that means that Facebook is gonna look for different people depending on your campaign objective, right? So it doesn't matter if your ad is good, all right? I mean, it doesn't matter a lot, all right? But you could have the best targeting options that you could have the best targeting options that you could choose, right? You can have the best ad creatives that you could have, but it doesn't matter if you don't nail these details that are gonna change everything otherwise, because those little details are gonna send clear messages to Facebook that you don't want what you actually want. So they're gonna send false messages to Facebook. They're gonna tell Facebook to go and look for people that you actually don't want to reach. That's the point. That's the point. So first of all, if you want to get sales, I'm gonna repeat this again for the very last time, I promise. Conversions, all right, or catalog sales if you want to make other stuff, but generally conversions. Because otherwise, if you say, I don't know, I've seen people using video views as well. Well, video views is actually something worth testing, but traffic, for example, I've seen so many people using traffic, all right. Well, it just sends the wrong message, right, to Facebook. Let me select traffic. We're gonna see that it's gonna change the audience size. Yeah, here it is. Let me see. It might change or it might not. Yeah, it changed. It changed slightly. As you can see, it changed slightly. All right, by 300,000 people. All right, which is not a lot, but it's a clear sign that Facebook changes stuff. Like, I mean, changes your target audience, even though everything is equal, right? Depending on your campaign objective and depending on some more little details. All right. One more detail I'm going to show you now that you need to be careful about is your optimization event. Well, yeah, conversion event, basically, what you want to optimize for. If you want to get purchases, I'll tell you select purchase, right? Test purchase. If it doesn't work, then you can test out to cards, but I will be really careful before testing order campaign objectives, to be honest. Order conversion events, I'm sorry. This video is making me confused. Anyway, yeah, order conversion events first. So I will be really careful. I will test tons of times, so many times, purchase before anything else. All right, that's what I will do. Because basically, now, as you can see, the estimated audience size did not change. But what happens when you select purchase is that, you know, you have this huge audience size, okay? You can imagine this as a circle, all right? This is your audience size. It's huge, all right? 200 million plus people. It's a huge audience size. Now, inside this huge circle, you have smaller circles, all right? And very, very, very small circle. You have so many hundreds of thousands of small circles, all right? And those are subsets, all right, within your target audience, all right, subgroups, basically. So if you tell Facebook, look, I want sales conversions campaign, and I want exactly, you know, my goal is exactly to get purchases, all right, and you select this here, then Facebook, out of all the subsets within your target audience, right, within your huge circle, which is, you know, the target audience, is gonna try to reach the right subset, okay, the one that is more likely to perform the action that you want, right? But you need to make clear to Facebook what you need to make sure Facebook knows exactly what you're trying to achieve. Otherwise, if you select the wrong options, Facebook is gonna, yeah, I mean, you can have the best targeting, you know, in the world, and you can have the best ad creatives in the world, but if Facebook is not looking for the right people, it doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter. Facebook will continue to look for the wrong people, and you might even get a few sales. For example, you know, after spending $2,000 on Facebook ads in, I don't know, 2 weeks or 1 week or whatever, you get just, I don't know, 3 sales. But those were random sales, first of all, and Facebook is not going to learn from it because Facebook still thinks that you're trying to accomplish something different. So it's not like, okay, performance will improve in the future because Facebook needs to get some data, you know, the pixel needs to be trained and everything. Yeah, that holds if Facebook knows exactly what you're trying to accomplish. But if it doesn't, then it will continue to make mistakes. All right, it's not going to learn anything if it doesn't know what it has to learn. All right, that's a very important point, right? So hopefully this was useful. Yeah, Facebook now left me. I don't know why, but yeah, thank you for your attention, guys. Be really, really careful about these details that can make a huge difference in the people that you're going to reach with Facebook ads. And yeah, thank you very much. If you have any question, feel free to send me a private message. Thank you.